Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a magnifier on your HP Omen Transcend 14. To use the magnifier, you can either enable it using the keyboard, so you don't even have to go to settings, but later on I'm gonna show you how to enable it through the settings as well. So in order to enable it with the keyboard, you need to click on two buttons at once, the Windows key and the plus key, and that will enable the magnifier. Now you can see that it follows my cursor, so that's pretty great. You can just go whatever you want, but I'm also gonna show you in a moment how to adjust a few more settings. In order to zoom in even closer, you can either click on the plus on this magnifier window that has popped up, or click on Windows plus again. Windows minus to zoom out, or Windows and escape to exit the magnifier. And now if I go to the settings, I'll be able to find accessibility and then find the magnifier. Yes, so now you can enable it from here. You can also select to start magnifier before sign in or after sign in automatically, and you can change the zoom level and the zoom increment value. So that also comes pretty handy. Then if you find the view, you can set it to docked, full screen or lens, and I'm gonna show you all of them. You can also switch between them with the Ctrl-Alt-D, Ctrl-Alt-F or Ctrl-Alt-L. Although I don't really like to remember these, I just keep it on one. And now if I enable the docked view, it just shows me one line at the top of the screen. So you can see here that I just see like two lines of text at the top of the screen. So that is great, especially for reading some texts. I can also increase that zoom as well, so it comes pretty helpful. Then here you can also change what magnifier will follow. So either your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and or narrator cursor. You can also set it to lens, and the lens can have their size changed. So this is the lens mode. It just follows my cursor as well. And yeah, the size can be adjusted. And in the full screen mode, here you can check what will your magnifier follow, but also if you want to keep the magnifier mouse pointer within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen, and this is the centered mode. So this is how it looks. I personally prefer that within the edges, so it's not moving as much. And you can also set the same or other thing to keep the text cursor either on the center or not. And I'm gonna close that magnifier. And these are almost all the settings here. There are also things like the invert colors or smooth edges of images and text, which I don't like because I think it looks quite unnatural. I prefer to have these pixels visible, but at least it looks natural. So if I zoom in now, I will see some pixels. And now if I enable that option, it'll be smoothened, but I don't like it. So this is how you change it. You can also change the reading shortcut and other stuff. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.